What is the reason? We use different kind of number systems in computers, right? Then computer can understand what kind of numbers the computer can understand?
Binary.
Yes, binary. Binary means what is the yes? Binary means
base
1 and 0.
base
Binary
two.
mean
Base
yes,
two.
base 2. Binary mean base 2. Right.
Decimal.
Right. Then mainly, what is the reason for using different kind of number systems? What is the reason? Now, let's say we input various kind of things to the computer. What are those? We input various kind of things to the computer. What are those?
Data.
Data and instructions. Yes, data and instructions. What kind of data? Tell me some examples for the kind of data that we are entering to the computer.
Images, text.
Text, images,
Just numbers.
numbers,
Sound.
sound, yes,
Text.
text, videos,
Oh yeah, videos.
yes, videos. Those are the things that we input to the computer, right? Those are the things that we input to the computer. Text, videos, audios, images, and various kind of things that like that we are inputting to the computer, right? So can the computer understand those data and instruction as it is? Can?
No.
No.
It is to convert it to a binary number.
Yes.
System.
Yes. The computer can't understand those things, right? Even we can understand, but the computer can't understand. It is a machine. So it has to be converted into the language the computer can understand, right? It has to be converted, right? The computer can understand only 1 and 0. So even we input a sound, even we input a text, even we input an image or video, all the things to be converted into the binary numbers or ones and zeros. Those are the only things the computer can understand, right? That's why we need to convert those things to binary numbers, right? Okay, I'll go to the board. This part I am doing again for Oneli. Okay.
I don't need to write it now.
No, you don't need. Right. To the computer, this is my computer, keyboard and mouse, monitor, right? All the things are connected to the what? System unit. This is the system unit, right? We give the input to the computer. We give the input to the computer. Input can be a text, image, video, audio. What else? Are there any other than this? Text, images, video, audio, right? Those types of inputs we are giving to the computer. Then computer can only understand 1 and 0. 1 and 0. So these input we have to convert into zeros and ones, right? So there should be a conversion between what we input to the computer and what the computer can understand. There should be a conversion, right? So they then let's say what we I am typing a text to the computer. Let's say I am typing A and B. Using keyboard, I type A and B. Then this A and B, computer can't understand. So this A and B needs to be converted into the binaries. Let's say, for example, for the A and B, this is the value. When we convert A and B to binary, this is the value. This can be understood by the computer. This is the thing we are inputting through a keyboard. Then again, the computer needs to convert this to the human readable manner. So this is the keyboard input. Again, the computer needs to display to the screen. What we type, we can see from the display. That's how we can read. So what the computer can understand is this, but the human can't understand this. So this need to be converted into readable manner. So from the monitor, we can read AB. So there is a conversion between input and process and again output. Is it clear or not clear? Yes, right? So there should be conversion. So we are using different kind of number system for this purpose. Different kind of number systems. Is the board is clear or not? Yes?
Yes.
Yes, okay. Right. If you want only, you can write this down. So we need to convert. We need to convert input to the language computer can understand. the language computer can understand, right? The language the computer can understand. There are only ones and zeros. 1 0 1 0 1 0. This is an example, not the right, not the correct conversion. This is an example, right? So again, that the computer readable format needs to be converted into the output. Output means what we can see in the screen or display. Again, we can see A and B in the screen. You can write this down. You can write the topic, number systems. This is the reason that we are discussing about different number systems. We have to need a conversion between the input and the thing that the computer can understand. Again, it will be converted into user readable manner or the computer user readable manner. Yes. Raise hand after finishing. Is there a problem with the screen? Can you see the board clearly?
Yes.
Only raise hand after you finish writing down. Right. Then we discuss about different kind of number systems. We discuss about different kind of number systems. Right. One is what?
Binary.
Binary. Binary. Binary number. Second one,
Decimal.
decimal. Decimal. Decimal numbers. Right. Third one,
Octal.
what? Octal. Octal numbers. Fourth one,
Hexadecimal.
hexa. Hexa decimal.
Oh, sorry, sir.
Yes. Okay. This is the number system. Okay. Then there are special types of symbols. For binary numbers, there are special type of symbols. So I write this as symbols, right? Then we discuss about the base, right? These are the 4 types of number system that we are normally using. But you only need to learn about these 2 only for your syllabus. There are only two number systems, that is binary numbers and decimal numbers, right? The symbols that we are using to represent binary numbers, what are the symbols?
1 and 0.
1 and 0. We use 1 and 0. We call these as the symbols, not the numbers. Here we call this as symbols. So to identify binary number, we use these 2 symbols. It can be a 0 or it can be a 1. So there can't be any kind of numbers for that symbols. So there are only 1 and 0. Right. To decimal numbers, what are the symbols?
0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Yes. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I write the 9 here, right? You can write it here. I have no space here. 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There are, how many symbols are there?
N.
10 symbols, right? There are 10 symbols. Even you don't have to study these 2 types of numbers. I'm going to write these symbols here. What are the symbols for octal numbers? Octal numbers 0, 1, 2,
0,
3,
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
7. 0 to 7, there are 8 symbols. Here 0 to 9, there are 10 symbols. In hexadecimal, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. After 9, we are using English alphabetic letters A, B, C, D, E, F. So there are 16 symbols for hexadecimal number system. 16 symbols. So binary 0 and 1, decimal 0 to 9, octal 0 to 7, hexadecimal there are 16 symbols. Now we are coming to the base. What is the base? The base is the number of symbols. For binary, there are two symbols. Therefore, the base is 2. Base is 2. For binary, the base is 2. For decimal, what is the base?
Sir?
For decimal, what is the base?
10.
10. Because there are 10 symbols. Likewise, octal, there are 8 symbols. Hexadecimal, there are 16 symbols. This is the number systems that we are using. You only need to consider about binary numbers and decimal numbers. Right. On a link, you can write it down. Number system, symbols, and the base. Okay. Here I'll write in 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 0 to 9, there are 10 symbols. Raise hand when you finish writing this. Lakita, you can refresh what you have learned.
Yes, sir.
The reason I couldn't record the previous lesson. So if I have recorded it, I could send it to the Oneli. I missed that. Lakindu,
Sir?
Lakindu, I think there is a problem with the newcomer. So, shall we do the lesson next week?
Okay, sir. What happened?
I don't know. I think there is a signal issue, I think. Right?
Okay, sir.
Then we'll discuss from what we stopped last week, right? From that onwards, we'll discuss in next week. Okay?
We done last week, sir, how to convert something to binary number.
Yes,
And
yes, yes.
something to decimal number.
Decimal, binary to decimal and decimal to binary.
Yes, sir.
We'll do some exercises also in next week, right?
Okay, sir.
Right. Okay. Bye.
Bye, sir.